Hello, this is Ripon Hussain Chapel from WTMart once again, and in today's episode, we'll have a look how we can give the options for the user to choose different kind of preloader for his WordPress theme. So we are having like if we give a refresh here, we will have this kind of preloader. But I want that the user of this theme will get the options here to select the preloader style, like style 1, style 2, style 3. If you choose style 1, then one kind of preloader will load it. If you choose style 2, then another one will be loaded. If you choose style 3, then another one will be loaded here. So for that, we will know about the button set for the Redux framework. So if I go to the documentation of their official website, then you will get the button set options. So from there, if you know how to include the Redux framework and other things in this series, I have discussed about that before, you can watch that. So I just need to duplicate this one and read some code from here. So I will just copy it from the array. So all I need to do is copy from the array. So a new array, I will copy it, that is made by the button set already. I will just paste it here, and this is a commenting things, so I'll just remove it from here, and I'll just synchronize a little bit here. Okay, so the id, that is the id of this value, so that need to be extract. So I will set the id for this one. So I'll set take this preloader style, so I'll set it here, take this preloader style. Take this preloader style, and the type is the main thing here. So the type is button set, and the title will be what will be the value. So I will make it select preloader style, preloader style, and your project name, this is the project name, that will be techbij. The text domain, it is very important for the translation of this specific text, as you can see here if you don't know about it. So I will in the subtitle I will give the same text here. I will set the same text here, and in the description you can change it like whatever you want to set it. So I will set the same description, same title, subtitle and description for this specific field, that select the preloader style. And suppose I want to give 3 options, and in here the options we also need to give the users to change the language things. So I'll write here style 1 with the text domain, so style 1. Then I will remove this 2 and just duplicate it, and the style 2, the options that is needed for the button set. So I will set it style 2, and another one is style 3. So I will set this value into 3, and by default what will be set? So if I set it to 1, then 1 will be set as by default. So I will go to the backend here and give a refresh. Then you can see the style here to this here, and if I just click on save changes button and give a refresh, then style 3 will be selected. If I set it to style 2 and click on save changes, then style 2 will be selected. So this is the basic things here. Now I need to make sure that if I select the different style, then different thing is happening in the output also. So suppose in the for extracting the value, if I go here for the preloader, so I will set it preloader style, take this preloader style. Then the value of TechBiz OPT, that is a global value, and the ID that I have set here. So ID is TechBiz preloader style. I will paste it here, and I will check the value from here a little bit, so you guys can understand that what is this doing actually. So if I bottom just this value here, I hope you guys know the var dump as well. So if I just var dump this variables, and if I go here and give a refresh, and that is being outputted in the preloader. So as you can see here, in this area, you can see here string 2, that is the value that has been already outputted. So 2 is the value. So I will just write my code here. If this TechBees preloader style is, obviously it need to be dollar sign, is equal 1. So if it's 1, then this preloader style will be loaded here. This code will be loaded. Else if it is 2, I mean the TechBees preloader style is equal 2, then what will happen? Then I want that the preloader text that will be not shown in this 2 style. Okay. And a braces. Sorry, else is written wrong, that's why the error was showing. And the third option now, if I go it like style 1, style 2, and the 3 one will be no preloader. Okay, then I'll set it to no preloader. Okay, so style 1, style 2, and the no preloader style. So the third one will be, if I write else means whatever it is, if we don't have style 1 or style 2, then what it will be? Then it will echo nothing. Okay, echo, I will just give anything like for you to understand that. Okay, no style is loading here, no style, echo no style. Okay, so if I go here now, now the value is set to style 2. Now if I give a refresh, then you will see only the preloader. You can see here only the preloader that is loading here. This is the style, and the JS is not working because this preloader div class preloader is also needed for vanishing the style. Okay, so if I go here now and give a refresh, then we will see the style 2 preloader. If I go for the style 1 and click on save changes, then you will see this one here, this one preloader with the cancel button text. Okay, if I give a refresh now, you will see the cancel preloader text here. And if I go for the third one, the most interesting one, if I click on save changes and if I give a refresh here now, then you will see the no style text as well. So this is not important to give anything like the no style, else I can just make a comment here, nothing to execute. Okay, nothing to do, or nothing to whatever you want to show. So if I give a refresh now, then there is no preloader right now. So this way you can set the button